Hello guys. So in this lecture we will see time variant and time invariant systems. When the response of the system does not changes with the time, then it is known as time invariant system. But if the response of system varies with time, it is known as time variant system. So how we will find that a given system is time invariant or variant? So we will check in this way. If xt has response yt, then response of xt minus t naught is yt minus t naught, and this response of xt minus t naught should be equal to yt minus t naught. Means this is the response of xt minus t naught and this is delayed system, means we are delaying yt with t naught, and here we are giving input as x of t minus t naught. If these both are equal, then system is said to be time invariant, otherwise system will be time variant. So let us see one example. Let us take yt is x square of t. So now first of all delay this yt with t naught, yt minus t naught. Then this is x square of t minus t naught. Now let us check with giving input as xt minus t naught. As input is xt minus t naught, then what is response? Response is, the system is a squaring system, so output will be square of input, that is x square of t minus t naught. So as we can see, the response for xt minus t naught is same as when we are delaying output with t naught. So these both are same. It means system is time invariant. Let us take another example. Let us say yt is x of minus t. Now first of all delay y with t naught, then it became x of minus t. This became t minus t naught. In place of t we are replacing t naught, so it is x of minus t plus t naught. Now give input delayed with t naught, means this x of minus t. Now delay this complete argument with t naught, minus t naught. Now what will be response? So this system is, if input is xt, then yt is x of minus t, means it is reversing its argument. So now response will be x of minus t, means t plus t naught. So here we can see these both are not equal, it means system is time variant. Let us take another example. Let us say yt is x of 2t. So first delay this with t naught, yt minus t naught became, replace t with t minus t naught, x of 2 t minus t naught. Okay. Now give the input as delayed with t naught, means delay this argument with t naught, x of 2t minus t naught. Now response will be, so what system is doing, it is multiplying argument with 2, means if input is xt, then output is x of 2t. So response will be x of 2 times 2t minus t naught. So here we can see these both are not equal, so system is time variant. Let us take other examples. Yt is x of t by 2. Now again let us check yt minus t naught will be x of t minus t naught by 2. Now let us give input as x of t by 2, this complete argument delayed by t naught, t by 2 minus t naught. Now its response will be argument divided by 2, x of t by 2 minus t naught divided by 2. So we can see these both are not equal, so system is time variant. So we can say general statement, if there is any operation with time, then it will be time variant system. If there is no operation with time and output, then system will be time invariant. And there are other systems also which are, we can take, let us say yt is xt upon t. So now delay yt with t naught, yt minus t naught became xt minus t naught upon t minus t naught. Now give input as delayed with t, means x of t minus t naught, argument delayed with t naught. Now response will be, what this system is doing, system is dividing the input with t, means what is this system? System is, if input is xt, then output is xt divided by t. It is multiplying with 1 by t in the input. Output will be xt by t. So here output became x of t minus t naught by t. So we can see these both are not equal, so system is time variant. Let us take another example. Let us say yt is t divided by x of t. Again we can see this will be time variant because y of t minus t naught delayed t with t naught. So this will be t minus t naught y x of t minus t naught. Now give input as xt minus t naught, then see the response. Now response will be, as in what the system is doing, this is dividing the input with t. So t divided by x of t minus t naught. As we can see, these both are not equal, so system is time variant. Let us take other example. Let us say yt is x of t square. Now replace t with t naught, t minus t naught, and x of t minus t naught whole square. Now give input delayed by t naught, argument t square minus t naught. Now response will be, what will be response? Squaring the argument. So yt will be, means here the response is, this is the response only. Response is square of the argument, t square minus t naught to the power 2. As we can see, these both are not equal, so system is time variant. Okay. Let us take another example. Let us say yt is cosine of x of t. So yt minus t naught will be cos of x of t minus t. Now give input as x of t minus t naught, then see the response. So system is taking cosine of the input. So cos of x of t minus t. So we can see these both are equal, so system is time invariant. So this is how we can find any system, whether it is time variant or invariant. So this is all about time variant and invariant system. In subsequent module we will see another classification of system. Thank you.